Yeah.
Hi, Anne. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice to hear. All right, so before we start again, my name is Jerry May, and it's nice to see you today. And how are you today?
Um, good. I'm good.
I did you go to school today, Anne?
I'm good.
Okay. Did you go to school today? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice to know. Thank you very much, Anne, for answering. Okay, so are you ready to start the lesson?
Yes.
Ready? Okay, let me share my screen. All right, here. Can you see my screen? Okay, and last time we talked about hobbies and the action words. Do you still remember what we talked about the last time? We talked about hobbies and the action verb, right? Do you still remember? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So let's have a quick review about our topic the last time. So these are the hobbies and these are the action verbs. Okay. So can you please read the first one? Read. Listening to music. Okay, and please repeat after me. Listening to music.
Listening to music.
Well done. Once more, listening to music.
Listening to music.
Okay, and what is the action verb for that hobby? What is the action verb?
Is listen.
Yes, very good. Listen is the action verb. Next, please read
Get
gardening.
gardening.
Once more, and gardening.
Gardening.
Well done. What is the action verb for gardening?
Pass.
Once more, what is the action verb for gardening?
Pan.
Plant.
Plant.
Once more, please. Plant.
Plants.
Very good. Okay, next, please read
Fishing.
fishing. Well done. Once more, fishing.
Fishing.
Okay, very good. So, what is the action verb for fishing?
Catch.
Catch. Yes, so we are going to catch some fish. All right, once more, catch.
Catch.
Very good. Next, let's have the next one. Please read paint,
Gardening.
painting.
Painting.
Once more, painting.
Painting.
Very good. What is the action verb for painting?
Pen.
Yes, very good. Paint. Please repeat after me and paint.
Paint.
Wow, well done. How about the next one? Please read
Swimming.
swimming. Once more, swimming.
Swimming.
Yes, that's right. And what is the action verb for swimming?
Swimming.
What is the action verb for swimming?
Swim.
Swim. Yes. Wow. You did a great job, Anne. Thank you very much. I know that you still remembered what we have the last time. Okay, great job, Anne. Okay, I will give you a flower for that. Great job. Okay, now let's move on to the next part of our lesson. All right, so in this part, we are going to talk about, or you are going to learn grammar. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, in this part, the present simple and future simple sentence. Okay, so let's try to answer the first one. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so use the present simple or future simple form of the verbs. Let's try to complete the sentence. Let's try number one. Ngok blank cartoons. But she says she blank this hobby in the future. Okay, so this time I will give you an example. Okay, I
Okay.
will give you an example here. All right, so let's use the word. Okay, so let's have the word ngok
Uh,
loves. Okay, so I will make it bigger. Okay, all right, can you see it? And
yeah.
okay. Next, let's have the future tense for but she says she, not, or continue. Let's let's say she will not.
Not.
Okay, very good. All right, Mike, can you please read the number one? Read.
P.
Ngok
Say. Not.
loves
Less.
cartoons.
Cartoon. Us. See. Say.
She
Will not teach hobby in the
future. Okay. All right. This time we will going to use the word continue. Okay, I will read it first. Okay?
okay.
Okay. Ngok loves cartoons, but she says she will not continue this hobby in the future. Okay, so loves is the present simple verb of love, and will not is the future simple verb of not. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Let's try number two. They usually blank a lot of beautiful photos. Okay. What do you think are we going to use? Are we going to use take or
Mhm.
no?
No.
No? Okay. So let's try to find the best simple or future verb for this sentence. Okay, so they usually take. All right, so this sentence is a present simple sentence. So we are going to use a present simple verb. Okay, let's answer this one. All right, they usually
Usually take
take A lot.
A lot of beautiful photo.
Photos.
Photo.
Okay, very good. Yes, we are going to use the word take because this is a present simple sentence. So we are going to use a present simple verb. Can you please read? And
Is
they
they
usually
they usually take a photo.
a lot.
A, a lot of beautiful photo.
Okay, once more. They usually take a lot of beautiful photos. Please repeat after me.
They usually take
Take
a
lot.
take a lot of beautiful photo.
Yes, very good. Next, let's have number 3. What blank or what your brother blank in his free time? Okay, are we going to use the word do
Is
or
your, your
okay? Mhm. Are we going to use the word do or does?
your brother
Okay, what is your answer? Are we going to use the word do or does?
does.
Okay, very good. Does. Because this is a
This is
future simple sentence. Okay, this is a future simple sentence. That's why we are going to use a future simple verb. Okay, so let's read together. What does your brother do in his free time? Okay,
what? Yes.
okay. Now it's your turn. Please read my what
What
does
do do
does
in his free time?
okay, that's nice. And once more, please repeat after me. What does your brother do in his free time? What does
What the
your
in
brother your brother do
your brother
in
do
his free time?
in his free time?
Okay, well done. And all right, next, let's have a number 4. I think 10 years from now, more people enjoy blank gardening. Okay, do you think we are going to use the word enjoy?
And
Yes, do you
and
think
yes,
we are going to use the word enjoy? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, okay. Because this is a simple future sentence. That's why we are going to use a simple future verb. Okay, so let's try to read together. I think 10 years from now, more people enjoy gardening or will enjoy gardening. I'm sorry for this. I will put will enjoy gardening. Okay. Once more, I will read it first and You will read after me, okay? Repeat after me. Okay. I think 10 years
I
from now, more people will enjoy gardening. Now it's your turn. I think
I, I think you're from no
10
more
years from now,
than you from
years
now.
from now, more people
More people
will enjoy.
will enjoy gardening.
Yes, very good. Remember, I think 10 years from now, more people will enjoy gardening. Okay, good job. And thank you very much. Now let's move on to number 5. Blank, you do blank morning exercise every day. Okay, so let's try to find a simple future verb for this. Okay, let's try to use the word do. Do you
Do
do
do you do
morning exercise every day?
do you do morning exercise every day?
Okay, very good. So we are going to use the word do because this is a simple present sentence. Okay, next, please read again. Do you do morning exercise every day? Do
Do
you do?
you do morning exercise every day?
Okay, very good. Let's have number 5. Or I'm sorry, let's have number 6. Blank, you still play badminton next year? Okay, let's try to answer this one. Let's
Let's
use the word do. Do you still play?
play it.
Okay. Now, I will read it first, okay? And then repeat after me. Do you still play badminton next year?
Do you see play badminton next year?
Okay, very good. So this one, we use the word do and play because this is a simple future sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much and for participating well. You did a great job. Okay. So remember, we use the present simple or future simple form of the verbs in a sentence. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next, let's move on to part 2 of our lesson. In this part, the table below shows the results of Nick's survey on his classmates' hobbies. Read the table and complete his report using the present simple. Okay, so let's try the first one. Can you please say the name? Can you please read
Now,
once more?
very day.
Okay, what is his name?
Names.
Nam. Next.
So
Okay, next.
big.
Bin. Okay, so these are the boys. How about the girls? What is her name?
Lee.
Lee and
Hat.
Okay, so this time, Anne, look at the table. Okay, so they have activity. The activity is watching TV. Okay, can you please tell me when Nam watching TV?
Every very day.
Every day. Very good. How about Son? When
Very
Son?
day.
Every day too. How about Bin?
Very day.
Every day. Very good. How about Lee?
Very day.
Every day. How about we?
Very day.
Okay. So they are watching TV every day. Okay.
Okay.
How about you? Do you watch TV every day?
Is
Yes, you do. Okay. Next, let's have the next activity, swimming. Okay. Do you think Nam goes swimming every day? Yes or
no,
no? No,
no,
because they don't have a schedule for this activity. How about Son? Does Son go
no,
swimming every day? No. Well done. How about Bean?
no.
No. Very good. How about Lee? How many times does Lee go swimming?
Yes.
Yes. How many times?
Is
Three
three per
times
three times
per
per week.
week. Okay. Once more and three times per week.
Three times per week.
Very good. Now, how many times does Lee go swimming?
Yes.
How many
Three
times?
times. Three times
Per
per week.
week. Very good. How about next one? We. How many times does we go swimming?
Yes. Three times per week.
Three times per week. How many times?
Three times per week.
Three times per week. Very good. Next, they go playing badminton. Let's see, when does Nam play badminton?
Every day.
Every day. Yes. Well done. How about Son?
Very day.
Every day too. Very good. How about Bin? Does Bin goes
No,
to play badminton every day?
no.
No. Very good. How about Lee? How many
She for
times? Mhm.
she for per week.
Okay. She plays badminton
She play badminton
four times per week.
for four times per week.
Okay, well done. How about the last one? How many times does she go play badminton?
Yes,
How many times?
every
Every
very day.
every day. Yes, very good. Wow. Congratulations. You did a great job, Anne. Thank you very much for answering all of my questions correctly. Now you know what the result of Nick's survey on his classmates. How about you? Do you play badminton, Anne?
Yes,
Yes, you do. How many times do you play badminton?
is
I play badminton.
I play badminton.
How many times? Is it every day?
Is I
Uh,
play badminton for per week.
four times?
For per view.
Per week.
Week.
Okay, very good. All right, thank you very much, Anne. And that's all for today. I hope that you learned a lot from our lesson for today, Anne. You did a great job. Thank you so much, Anne. And I hope to see you next time. All right, bye, Anne. Thank you. See you next time.
Teacher.
Bye bye.